Law Career Services presents Researching Employers. There are 4 reasons to conduct employer research. First, engaging in career exploration and determining practice areas which may be of interest to you. Second, identifying attorneys and other professionals that you might want to draw into your network. Third, preparing for an interview, learning more about an organization or the interviewer. And fourth, identifying other sources of job postings. You need to know why you are engaging in employer research to maximize your time and effort. There are more resources than ever to find a job on the internet, through social media, and networking. However, the abundance of resources can lead to feeling overwhelmed and not knowing where to start. If you are beginning your job search, first have a goal for your research. Narrow your search to a practice area in which you are interested or a client base which you want to serve. Can't decide what to do? Expand your knowledge about different practice areas by accessing resources such as the Career Pathway Guides on the LCS website, speaking with professors, attending lunch programs hosted by student organizations and/or LCS, and reviewing the profiles of practitioners on LinkedIn involved in practice areas of your choosing. As a new job seeker, this will be the first research you conduct. Next, begin strategizing about where to work. Based upon your self-assessment and generalized research, develop a list of 20 to 30 employers for which you would like to work. Research the lawyers at your target employer. What do the lawyers who work at that organization have in common? What do you have in common with those lawyers? Are your credentials vastly different from them? Assess the likelihood of working for that employer. Make any necessary adjustments to your list of target employers based upon this assessment and research. Next, develop an integrated job search plan. Remember that approximately 70 to 80% of available jobs are not publicly advertised. Therefore, your employer research needs to include not only job boards, but also directories and other resources to guide you to people with whom you can network. This way you can apply for advertised positions and develop a networking strategy to gather information which is transmitted from person to person about unadvertised positions. In order to research specific alumni, you need to conduct informational interviews for your networking strategy and prepare for interviews. You can use the following 4 resources. First, LinkedIn. Both Law Career Services and the Law Alumni and Development Departments host LinkedIn groups with profiles of alumni. You can perform keyword or advanced searches based upon practice area, geographic location, etc. Second, the California Bar Association website at www.calbar.ca.gov. The California Bar Association hosts public information about all licensed attorneys on its website, including contact information, date of admission, section membership, and disciplinary record. Third, Martindale-Hubbell at www.martindale.com. This is a directory of lawyers in private practice. It is in no way comprehensive, but it is a good supplement to find lawyers in smaller law firms. You can research by law school, practice area, and/or employer. Fourth, law firm websites. These do a good job of providing biographical information about lawyers. You can generally search large law firm websites by law school, practice area, office, and/or the industry supported by their lawyers. Let's do a sample search. Our goal is to find Santa Clara law graduates practicing labor and employment law around the South Bay to build a personal network. Our strategy will be to conduct a general search on Martindale-Hubbell and LinkedIn. Then, based on those results, we will build a list of alumni from whom we will request informational interviews. Let's start with Martindale-Hubbell. We go to the Martindale-Hubbell website and we indicate that we are looking for lawyers with a practice area of labor and employment, practicing in San Jose, and that are graduates of Santa Clara Law. This results in a list of 18 lawyers who meet those criteria. Then we go to LinkedIn and we do an advanced people search. indicating that we are again looking for lawyers in the San Francisco Bay Area, in our areas including group members that are in our connections as first-degree contacts and second-degree contacts, and that we're looking for the keywords of labor and employment in profiles. This results in 157 results for that criteria. Based upon this, we can now develop a list of lawyers with whom we would like to network. Are you looking for job postings or preparing for an interview? If so, let's now review resources specific to different sectors in the legal industry to help a job seeker increase their recruiting resources or to truly understand that sector as they prepare for an interview. Let's start with large law firms. If you are seeking information regarding large law firm recruiting practices and plans for recruiting, visit www.nalpdirectory.com. To prepare for a large law firm interview or gather other information about a large law firm, try these resources: www.chambersassociate.com, www.vault.com, and www.law.com. For law firms of other sizes, smaller firms, realize that there are no recruiting directories for small to mid-sized law firms. Additional sources for job postings include Craigslist, LawMatch, and www.hg.org. Small firms are well known for not advertising their positions. Therefore, students interested in this market segment need to integrate a lot of networking into their job search. If you are looking for IP-specific research tools, then Kate Patterson from Patterson Davis Consulting permits LCS to use many of her materials. LCS has hard copies of Kate's Job Search Guide for finding an IP job, including lots of websites and ideas, and Kate's Quickie List for various markets in the United States. The Quickie Lists are a fairly comprehensive list of IP law firms in a given area and include information about the firm's specializations. Additionally, PatentBuddy.com allows you to search law firms, patent holders, and inventors. And finally, the USPTO's website provides information about who is filing patents and how to qualify for the patent bar. If you came to Santa Clara hoping to start a career in public interest, use the following resources: psjd.org for job postings, public interest-focused job search strategies, and fellowship information; equaljusticeworks.org for fellowship information, summer stipend, and job fair information; the Public Policy Handbook at www.law.arizona.edu/Public Policy Handbook. This is a password-protected resource. Get the password by contacting Law Career Services. The handbook provides information about internships and attorney positions in the nonprofit setting. And finally, idealist.org. This website aggregates job notices for legal and non-legal positions working in public interest organizations throughout the world. If you are interested in government jobs, you can access job postings through resources such as the Government Honors Handbook at www.law.arizona.edu/career. The Government Honors Handbook is a password-protected resource. Obtain the password from Law Career Services. The handbook provides detailed information regarding hundreds of internships and postgraduate honors programs with the federal government. Second, usajobs.gov. This site is maintained by the Office of Personnel Management, the federal government HR department, and provides posting for current job vacancies. The California Department of Justice maintains its website at oag.ca.gov. For jobs with local municipalities or other state agencies, go directly to their websites. Finally, the Law Career Services Office maintains a list of public defender and district attorney offices in the state of California on our website. If you are interested in a business career, additional job postings can be found at Indeed.com, Glassdoor.com, and VentureLoop.com. These sites aggregate information from company websites and other sources to bring you job postings in one location. For in-house attorney job postings and information about salary, benefits, etc., use www.acc.com/jobline. This is the American Corporate Counsel Career Center. The Minority Corporate Counsel Association also has a well-developed career center at www.mcca.com. Finally, if you are interested in a postgraduate judicial clerkship with the federal government, you will want to access the online system maintained by the Administrative Office of the Courts, better known as OSCAR, at oscar.uscourts.gov. This provides the most comprehensive information about vacancies and application timelines. For state postgraduate judicial clerkship information, begin your research with the State Judicial Clerkship Guide at forms.vermontlaw.edu/career/guides. This resource is password protected. Obtain the password from Law Career Services. This resource will not provide you with vacancies and allow you to upload application materials. However, it will provide you with information about each state's court system and help you to start your research. Many judges do not publicly post their postgraduate clerkships or in-school externship. They assume you will apply directly to them. One of the best directories of state appellate and federal trial through appellate court judges is the Judicial Yellow Book. Law Career Services has a hard copy of this publication in their resource library. The litigation section of the American Bar Association offers a judicial internship program for first-year law students. More information about this program can be found at the American Bar Association website. And finally, don't forget the LCS website. The Law Career Services website has plenty of information for job searching, including links to professional associations, job search resources, and job search advice. We wish you the best of luck with your job search and look forward to hearing about your successes.